Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today, we're not cooking nothing. We got a box in the mail. Oh, hell yeah. Mail call time. A little sip. Anyway, cool dude, Greg from the Woodshed, Slowhand, that is, sent me a package in the mail. Very cool of you, brother. This is awesome. I opened it up already. And I'm cooking on my 26-inch Weber right now. So, but I watched one of your videos on pizza pans using this. This is going to be cool, man. Check this out. One of the naked baskets for the Weber 26-inch. Oh, hell yeah. This is going to be used very soon. This is wicked cool, man. Very much appreciated. Crazy times right now we're in. And, little spray. Keep it seasoned up. Oh, hell yeah. Thank you, Greg. That's wicked cool of you. And, I had a package coming your way. Hope you enjoy it. And I said something about I don't wear snapbacks no more, but I don't know. I had extra and I tried it today. I think I might like them. I hope you like what I sent you. Anyway, this is super duper awesome. I can't wait to use this. Right now I got that slowness here and there. But if I had some kind of diffuser plate, I would be using this today. But look forward to seeing me use this very soon. So guys, grab yourself a nice cold one. It's a goddamn cold one outside today. Oh. May 9th, snowing up here in upstate New York. Come on. Dang. Well, anyway, we'll get through the bad weather. We'll get through this pandemic. And everything will get good, right? Right. Hopefully. Anyway, Greg, thank you very much. That's very cool of you. And everybody out there, go subscribe to Slowhand at the Woodshed, and I will leave his link down in the description. Most of you probably already subscribed, but if you're new to my channel and have never watched his, go over there, check it out. It's a cool dude. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I will catch you guys. Ooh, here's a peek. Here's a peek on the next cook. Cheers, folks.